Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Bitcoin, Algorand, and this panic in 1907. Let's dive in. Before I start and live the chart, I highly recommend you go follow me, first of all, on Twitter and read this article on Wiki about Panic of 1907, because a lot of people now compare this cycle with previous ones, this one, but everything can be totally different and we will see something like this one. Here's also the news, what you have to know, and I recommend you join my Telegram channel. More than 1,000 German banks and financial institutions will allow their clients to trade Bitcoin. So it's a hype, what I'm talking about, what we will see in the spring and the summer. Also, what you have to know, here's a 18-year cycle. Here's a 2020 mid-cycle recession. We got the dump of COVID dump, 2020. Then land boom and the euphoria on the market and the massive crash for next 4 years starts at also. Here's the periods when to make money. Now we're in a good condition to start accumulate and out of market in 2026 by end of 2025. So what we can see now on the chart on the Bitcoin, I market the gaps on weekly time frame, even up or down. We leave a lot of gaps on a weekly time frame here, but it's not necessary, so we have to drop to 7K. But it's the possible option. So you have to be ready. You know, this downtrend channel still relevant. And I would like to show you something interesting. If we every single time have to come back and close this gap, look what we can see now. We got two local gaps here between 26,500 till 22,500. Also here between 20,300 and 17. Yes. So I think we will come back and close this gap this year. But most likely we can go and close this one, test middle line, going higher, test 37. Then drop it down like this one. And when everybody, by consensus, so we have to drop, we have to form in the lower low, we can bounce even higher. Higher to 44, or even like this one in September or November, and test top of this channel, because we got 1, 2, 3, 4 touches down and only one up. So in this area will be total euphoria and everybody jump in the market and will collapse, forming the head and shoulder, left, right shoulder, and the size of the shoulder, it's just a hypothetical move, you know, and the size of the shoulder can be dropped one more time at least, or forming lower low to 12K, you know, here, or it can be smaller one, and we can drop and close this gap. You know, we can close 17. Next year, and only in 2024, we can make a full recovery move. Just to be honest, I don't believe in this, all this hype around 1 million for Bitcoin in 19 days. But also what we can see, if this channel is just wrong and we just a test of middle line, like this one, we can pump to the top of this channel around 100K. And in 2026, we can go down 4 years, down to 10K. Drop from 100 to 10K, it will be hard. But it's just a theory, you know, so we can talk all day long about some theories. We have to work with what we got now. So now, basically, I'm still bullish and I'm not waiting the lower low. Maximum what I can expect for Bitcoin is close 50% of this gap. It's around 25K. We can drop, but we always got impulse, sideways, impulse. And 3 drives pattern, you know. For algo, still relevant for Algorand on 4-hour time frame. We got a break of structure on 1-hour time frame. We got a break of structure I market. We got this downtrend channel, local downtrend channel. We got a 1 touch, almost second touch trade at the middle line, and we probably have to drop it down to test 27 zone. It's 1996. So now it's like a magnet. On weekly time frame, we can close 50% of the gap, 19 cents, or fulfill 1885. So this is my target for algo, and then we can make a recover move, and I market this double bottom on daily. We are almost formed here. And the size of this double bottom will be 72 and $1.20. And we now forming the local double bottom here. This one. We can forming something like this one, then recover, bid a lot of stop losses at 29 cents and 30 cents, bid this top, drop it down, test, and skyrocket to this top. So the size of this smaller double bottom here, the size, it can be around this top. And then we got a bigger double bottom. The size of this double bottom is here. Like this one, going to the top, it's magnet 72 cents. 72, and if we'll see some hype around, we can test even 23 level by FIB with a weak candle, bid this stop losses $1.20. So now everything's still relevant for algo. So I got two scenarios. Always we got two scenarios. Or we drop it down to 10 cents, or we hold this line and bounce, go into our targets. We got 3 months on the way before all this hype, April, May, and June. So maybe this time everybody, when everybody expects sell in May and go away, we will pump it in June and drop it in June. So we will see. So guys, I hope you like this video about Algorand. All targets still relevant. And if you want to trade with my customer care set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.